Hi, this is just going to be a short video of going through making a new channel header for my YouTube channel. I'm going to be trying a few different things, seeing what works, and just going with whatever I like the most. Here we go. Instead of doing a for loop for X and for Y, I'm going to actually pull the frame buffer aside and get the pixels directly and get and set them into the frame buffer and then swap them back in. That way I can change every single value in the entire screen without having a lot of overhead. Every single time that you call a function like point or line, it has to do that process or something similar to it, just so it can do that one drawing of the line or the point. If you load and then update the pixels, you can change every single pixel at once and make very complicated full screen applications. That looks pretty nice. Huh. Well, I think I just made a new type of plaid. I'm gonna trash this. Start with Alright, I made Minecraft. Fucking Minecraft. I'm underground. This is gravel. This is fucking... Alright, so I'm gonna try something different with this. I kind of like where this might be going. Huh. That looks like puke. Huh. That looks a bit nicer. Huh. I think I just lost it. I think I know what I have to do. Weird. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go with this for now. It's good enough.